care, 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 carelessness, care, careful, careless, caring, carefully, carelessly.
The process of protecting and looking after someone or something.
The standard of care at our local hospital is excellent. Nurseries are responsible for the children in their care.
Used to emphasize that you do not think something is important.
Chelsea should have reached the final. Who cares? Wing, wing.
One of the two long, flat parts at the sides of an aircraft that allow it to fly.
I could see the plane's wing out of the window. Distance, 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 distant.
Somewhere that is far away, but close enough for you to see or hear the things that are there.
I could see Mary in the distance. From a distance, it sounded like a bell ringing.
Maintenance, maintenance.
Maintenance, maintain.
The work needed to keep a road, building, machine, etc. in good condition.
Car maintenance classes. Old houses require too much maintenance. I need a garden that's very low maintenance.
Collapse, collapse.
Collapse, collapse.
To fall down suddenly because of pressure or having no strength or support.
Thousands of buildings collapsed in the earthquake. The chair collapsed under her weight.
If someone collapses, they fall down, usually because they are ill or weak.
He collapsed and died of a heart attack.
The sudden failure of a system, organization, business, etc.
A poor economy has caused the collapse of thousands of small businesses. Negotiations between the two countries are on the brink or verge of collapse. He suffered a mental collapse after 10 years teaching. Refer, refer, referee, reference, refer.
To talk or write about someone or something, especially briefly.
She didn't once refer to her son. He always referred to his father as the old man.
Treatment, treatment.
Treatment, treat.
The use of drugs, exercises, etc. to cure a person of an illness or injury.
Free dental treatment. Perhaps it's time to try a new course of treatment. This disease doesn't generally respond to treatment.
The way you deal with or behave towards someone or something.
There have been complaints about the treatment of prisoners. Peter gets special treatment because he knows the boss. Forthcoming, forthcoming.
Happening soon.
We have just received the information about the forthcoming conference. Pressure, pressure.
When someone tries to make someone else do something by arguing, persuading, etc.
Public or political pressure. Teachers are under pressure to work longer hours. Pressure to abandon the new motorway is increasing.
To try to force someone to do something.
They're putting pressure on me to make a decision.
A difficult situation that makes you feel worried or unhappy.
She's got a lot of pressure on her at work just now. Be nice to him, he's been under a lot of pressure recently. Can you work well under pressure? Drown. Drown.
To die because you are underwater and cannot breathe, or to kill someone in this way.
2 people drowned in a boating accident yesterday.
Proposed. Proposed.
Proposal, proposition, propose, proposed.
Suggested as an idea or plan.
The proposed road would cut right through the forest. Evil. Evil.
Very cruel, bad, or harmful.
An evil monster. These people are just evil.
Something that is very bad and harmful.
Drug addiction is one of today's great social evils. The theme of the play is the battle between good and evil. Scandal. Scandal.
Something that shocks people because they think it is morally wrong.
A financial or political scandal. Their affair caused or created a scandal in the office. If there is the slightest suggestion or hint of scandal, the public will no longer trust us. Understanding. Understanding. Misunderstanding. Understanding. Misunderstand. Understand. Understandable. Understanding. Understandably.
Knowledge about a subject, situation, etc. or about how something works.
She doesn't have any understanding of politics. My understanding of the agreement is that they will pay £50,000 over 2 years. It was my understanding that she would come alone.
Sympathy.
Thank you for your understanding. I do appreciate it.
Showing sympathy for someone's problems.
Fortunately, my boss is very understanding.
To ask. To ask.
Ask. Ask.
Said when someone asks you about an experience that was very bad.
How was the meeting? Don't ask.
Used to tell someone that you do not know the answer to a question and that you are surprised they have asked you.
So why would she leave such a good job? Don't ask me.